Paul Yaffe, Paul Yaffe's Bagger Nation. What I want to talk to you about now is our new invention called the Stealth Heel Lever. What the Stealth Heel Lever does is it completely removes that peg that normally sits right in the middle of your floorboard and prevents you from moving your feet back and forth on the floorboard. Also, it also makes you lift your foot really high to step and do upshifts. A lot of guys I've seen actually remove their heel lever and they use a little product of ours called a heel lever eliminator. Well, I really like using a heel lever, but I don't like how much I have to step up to shift and how much motion it takes. I really find myself using the heel lever when I'm attacking a canyon, and I want smooth upshifts as I'm pulling through turns, and I don't want to have to lift my foot off the footboard when I'm under power, flying through a canyon. Also, what you'll see here is I made a matching toe lever. Nothing really unique about that other than it's really cool looking. It's got the I-beam styling. It's, all business kind of look, and it's a great match to the Stealth heel lever. But the Stealth heel lever is really the invention here. Let me show you something real quick. So you can see when I put my foot on the footboard, one, I can stretch my foot all the way out, get full extension. It's comfortable when I'm riding distance. I can pull my foot back now all the way to the back of my footboard like a mid-control when I'm hammering through a canyon. It's really nice to be able to squeeze my knees on the tank and keep my feet right underneath me. The coolest part about this is this my foot peg, the rear shift peg now doesn't get in my way at all. And when I'm hammering through the canyons, watch this, this is the motion that it takes for me to upshift. That's it. That's all I have to do. That's all. Minimal heel movement for upshifting completely will change the way you feel about heel and toe shifting. Super easy. That's it. That's it. I just shifted. Super easy. Minimal. So check it out. The Stealth heel lever, the I-beam toe lever. Next, let's check out the matching brake lever that I just came up with too.